Recently, Glyn, Victor Kilo 6 Papa Alpha Whiskey and I had the opportunity to play radio. This isn't something that happens often, so we try to make the most of it. For our efforts, we had plenty of frustrations, to the point where we were joking that I should rename this to Frustrations of Amateur Radio. That was until we heard something weird on air. All set-up shenanigans forgotten, we marvelled at the experience. I was playing around on the 10-metre band, trying to hear people making noise and potentially our first contact for the field day we were participating in, when I heard something odd. 2 stations talking to each other, but the audio was strange. It was like they were doubling up. The same audio played a fraction of a second later. Until that moment, something I've only ever heard in a radio studio whilst editing using a reel-to-reel tape machine with separate recording and playback heads.